How to fix Discord screen share stuck on loading. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord screen share stuck on loading. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is simply, turn off your Discord application, or if you're using the Discord web, you can simply, cross this off and then restart your Discord. Sometimes the issue is related temporarily to the application or the browser. So once you close that and then open Discord application again, or simply, open your browser again, your issue would be resolved. Or if the issue is still there, you can try restarting your computer or your laptop and that issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, then you can try simply, removing your browser cache data or removing your Discord cache data. So removing the cache data of the Discord or your browser will, take out the cache and it will resolve your issue. And after that, you can try restarting Discord and you're good to go. Your issue would be resolved. If the issue is still there, then you gotta check your internet. Sometimes the issue might be related to your internet. So all you need to do is simply check that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Try searching for various stuff, such as I'm gonna search for weather over here. So make sure that you have an active internet connection, and you can try searching for 3 to 4 different things to make sure that your internet is working fine. Or you can simply, type in speed test and press enter, and after that you can give a speed test for your internet in order to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. If not, then I suggest you to switching to a strong internet connection, and once you do so, your issue would be resolved. If the issue is still there, it might be your hardware related. So you can simply click on this user settings over here, go to advanced, and then what you could do is simply, turn on your hardware compatibility, make sure it is integrated with your hardware. If the issue is still there, so it might be due to your computer graphics. So make sure that your graphic card is updated and well up to date. If not, then you can simply, update your graphics card. And if the issue is still there, then I suggest you to simply delete your graphics card and reinstall your graphics card. That will help you eradicate this issue. And once done, those are a few ways by which you can resolve this issue. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.